Well, it's early spring and I want to show you an amazing shrub. This is Viburnum Spice Island. It's a carlesii type that we've been watching now for several years in our trials. And I really wish that you were with me right now to be able to smell the wonderful, intoxicating fragrance that's coming from these flowers just when they're beginning to open. Now, what's interesting about this plant is that it was selected by Mike Yanni when he was at the propagator at Johnson's Nurseries in Wisconsin. It grows about 2/3 or so the size of a normal carlesii. That means that it will get to about 4 to 5 foot high. And very unusually, it tends to flower when it's got its leaves. A lot of the other carlesii come out before the leaves emerge. But as you see, what happens here is that it gets, first of all, these pale pink buds, and then they open with this gorgeous, large, round flower head that, as I say, gives off a wonderful fragrance. Add to that the fact that this is short and bushy and compact and tends to make a very well-rounded plant. A lot of normal varieties of carlesii that we've been growing in the past have tended to be weaker growers and often tend to be, as young plants, kind of one-sided. Not here. As you see, they're bushy and compact, and every stem, virtually every stem, is carrying a flower on it. So here's a plant that's hardy to zone 5, grows to a nice size, has these gorgeous flowers that are fragrant, and then in the autumn time it goes a beautiful orangey burgundy red color too. So this is without doubt probably one of the most exciting shrubs that we've seen in the nursery this spring. This is Viburnum Spice Island.